let's talk quickly about how SenSci Activ bedbug lure works. And so obviously if this was an open lure packet, I'd want to have gloves on. This is just for demonstration purposes. But what is actually going on here is that Activ mimics chemicals on the surface of the skin, which obviously make up part of the scent picture for bedbugs. And so that's what they're going to use to find food. And so what you can compare Activ to is, let's say, a sweaty t-shirt or a suitcase with your belongings inside of it. Obviously those items smell something like you because your chemicals are on them. And so as bedbugs move around an environment, they're going to sense that, and what they're going to do is they're going to go and check it out, for lack of a better term. They're going to say, okay, this smells like food, let me go see what it is. And so when we take the Activ packet and incorporate it with a monitor, and we're going to use Volcano, for instance, what you're making this smell like is food. And so obviously the monitor you use, you want to make sure it has some way to capture those bed bugs. And so what's going to happen is you're going to take this monitor and you're going to put it in areas that you think the bed bugs will travel to gain access to that bed. And so if you have them, let's say, on the head side on the floor of a bed, the bugs orient to that bed, they encounter this, they say, hey, this smells like food, let me check it out. And then that's how Activ is intended to work, mimic chemicals on the surface of the skin to make things hopefully smell like food to bed bugs.